Hi, good morning everyone. Today I will tell you how to prepare a Google form for creating the quiz. Okay, so first go to your Google account, click Google Drive. Okay, and then go to the new, more, Google Forms. Okay, and then create a blank form. Okay, so go to the drives, more, Google Form, create a blank form. Okay, now you will get like this. So first thing, what you go to the settings here, so you can see at the right side top corner settings. Okay, so in this one the last option is quiz. Okay, so I say quiz. Okay, and uh, let's say this part as, make this as quiz. Now here you will get other things. For example, release the grade. So it will tell you, after a student submit it can tell you which how much marks he has scored. So let's say immediately after now next is, he can see his evaluation also, which answers he has missed, which answer is correct or wrong. So what I suggest is uncorrect, unclick this one, so that he will not come to know which is the correct answers. Okay, for time being. Okay, and then save here. Then you start, first give the name of the test. Let's say JC test 1. Okay, the same here I'm giving. So I can say test is for mechanical students. Okay, now here additionally you can add their USN and other numbers also if you want. Otherwise you can keep it blank. So let's say I'm adding it. So I'd say add the questions. Okay, so here what you say is, you will say here short answers. Okay, short answers, sorry, yeah, short answers. So I can say here, the students is required, the student has to give his name. Okay, so let's say student name, and it is compulsory. Next, give one more option, and let's say just to segregate myself I can say Dropbox. So select semester and division. So I'm giving as option as, let's say, fourth A. Okay, let's say fourth B. Okay, so this data is also required. So the two data is compulsory. Third question we will start with the problem. So I'll say add one more question. So what I suggest is, you make it as a multiple choice. What I suggest is you can type in a regular word format this part and keep it ready. For example, I kept two questions ready. So first question, what are the assumptions to be made during stress analysis of curved beams? These are the four answers, choices. Okay, so let's just control C, copy here. Okay, now here you have to enter four option A, B, C, D. So I can copy all four together, Okay, copy all the four, control C, and directly go in the option one and paste it. So it will give you directly all that, it will take automatically. So now once you do this one, say required compulsory, answer this, and go and click the answer key. So unclick this one, and here you can define how many marks you want to assign. So let's say I am assigning this one as 5 points, means 5 marks, and then you have to decide which answer is correct. So in this case, let's say answer C is correct. So click this one and say done. Okay, so what is the option? First enter the marks, select whichever correct answer and say done. Okay, so this part is done now. Now let's add one more question. So go wherever you have copied. Copper when alloyed with zinc is known as, copied. Okay, go all the four answers. Okay, so go to the option one, simply paste it, so it will take by itself. Okay, so in this case is over. Then again go and click answer key. Okay, say let's say I am giving 5 points, and the correct answer is brass. Okay, and say done. So and say required compulsory. So you can see like this we have created a, this one JC01 short answers, Okay, now they will select either A or B, then this part everything is done. Okay, then I can say, once you say send, you can see you can email them. If you have their email IDs, you can paste the email IDs and say send, or in case you want to give them on your WhatsApp, just go here, shorten this URL. Okay, so you got this URL. See, okay, and copy that URL and send that URL to the respective students. Okay, so they can paste it. So let's say I make this one live now. Okay, so this is how it will look like on their mobile or laptop. Okay, so you can see here JC test one, they will get it. So students will write their name, let's say Anil. Okay, then he will select his division, so let's say 4th A I have the division. Okay, then he will go through what are the assumptions need. So let's say I have given all uh, material is obey. Okay, now if I go on submit this one, it will give the error saying that you have not answered one of this question. Okay, so I have to answer all questions. So let's say in this case I say bronze. Okay, once it is done, I'll go and say submit. So once it is submitted, you can see he can view the score here. So once he presses this view the score, you can see he got top corner. Out of 10 marks we have assigned 5 marks each, so he got only one correct answer, so 5 out of 10. So he can see here, okay, his answer is correct, his answer is wrong here, but which is the correct answer he will not come to know. So if you keep that option what I showed you, first click, it will show the correct answer, but this what I suggest, initially unclick that one, so that once one student will do it, at the end only you can tell what are the correct answers. When also when you are going in your Google form, you can see here you got the response. So here you can club it and see what is the marks distribution, median, everything, how many people have answered, which one as per the question wise. Okay, you can do the analysis like this. Thank you.